Did you know that nearly 20 million Americans suffer from some form of peripheral nerve damage? That's a staggering statistic, highlighting the widespread impact of nerve-related issues. Nerve health is paramount to our overall well-being. Nerves act as the body's communication system, transmitting signals from the brain to various parts of the body. When nerves become damaged or compromised, it can lead to debilitating conditions, such as neuropathy, affecting mobility, sensation, and quality of life. Today we'll delve into an intriguing concept: harnessing the power of food to aid in nerve repair. While conventional treatments exist, many are turning to natural remedies to support nerve health. Join us as we explore 10 foods with miraculous nerve-repairing properties, offering hope and healing for those grappling with nerve-related issues. Let's unlock the secrets hidden within our pantry and discover how simple dietary changes can pave the way to renewed nerve vitality. Food 1. Avocado. Avocados are not just delicious, they're also packed with nerve-repairing properties. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados support healthy nerve function by providing essential fatty acids necessary for nerve structure and repair. Avocados boast an impressive array of nutrients vital for nerve health, including potassium, vitamin E, and B vitamins like folate and B6. These nutrients promote nerve conduction, protect against oxidative stress, and aid in nerve cell regeneration. Whether sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or mashed for guacamole, there are countless ways to enjoy avocados as part of a nerve-nourishing diet. Get creative and experiment with incorporating avocados into your favorite dishes for a tasty and nutritious boost. Food 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are hailed as a superfood for good reason, boasting potent antioxidant properties that play a pivotal role in nerve repair. The high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like anthocyanins, found in blueberries help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to nerve damage. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins C and K, as well as manganese and fiber. These nutrients not only support overall health, but also provide the building blocks necessary for nerve regeneration and maintenance. From topping oatmeal and yogurt to blending into smoothies or adding them to salads, there are endless ways to incorporate blueberries into your daily diet for a tasty and nerve-nourishing treat. Food 3. Salmon. Salmon is renowned for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly EPA and DHA, which are essential for nerve regeneration. These fatty acids form an integral part of nerve cell membranes, promoting nerve signaling and aiding in the repair of damaged nerves. Regular consumption of salmon provides a potent dose of omega-3 fatty acids, offering protection against nerve inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, the abundance of protein and vitamin D found in salmon further supports nerve function and repair. From grilled salmon fillets with a citrus glaze to baked salmon with herbs and vegetables, there are countless delicious and nutritious ways to prepare this versatile fish. Food 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals essential for nerve repair. Its rich content of vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like magnesium and folate, make it a valuable addition to any nerve-nourishing diet. Spinach is particularly rich in folate, a B vitamin crucial for nerve function and repair. Additionally, its high magnesium content helps regulate nerve transmission and supports overall nerve health. From adding spinach to omelets and salads to blending it into smoothies or soups, there are numerous creative ways to incorporate this leafy green into your meals. Food 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are renowned for their neuroprotective properties thanks to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining nerve cell structure and function, promoting nerve signaling and protecting against inflammation and oxidative stress. Walnuts are also packed with antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which further bolster their neuroprotective effects. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative damage to nerve cells and supporting overall nerve health. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is easy and delicious. Try sprinkling chopped walnuts over yogurt or oatmeal, adding them to salads or stir-fries, or blending them into smoothies for a nutty boost of flavor and nutrients. Food 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which play a crucial role in nerve repair. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, inhibits inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing nerve inflammation and promoting healing. Key compounds: curcumin, the primary bioactive compound in turmeric, is responsible for its therapeutic effects on nerve regeneration. Curcumin enhances nerve growth factor production, supports nerve cell proliferation, and protects against oxidative damage, facilitating nerve repair and regeneration. Add turmeric to curries, soups, and stews for a flavorful and nerve-nourishing boost. Turmeric lattes or golden milk are also popular beverages that offer a delicious way to enjoy the benefits of turmeric.
Food 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse with profound benefits for nerve health. Its high nutrient density makes it an excellent addition to any nerve-supporting diet, providing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Broccoli is particularly rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium, all of which are essential for nerve repair and function. These nutrients support nerve cell growth, repair damaged nerves, and facilitate nerve signaling. From roasting or steaming broccoli as a side dish to incorporating it into stir-fries, salads, soups, and pasta dishes, there are countless ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable.
Food 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, powerful antioxidants known for their positive effects on nerve function. Flavonoids such as epicatechin and catechin, found in dark chocolate, help improve blood flow to the brain and protect nerve cells from damage, promoting overall nerve health. When selecting dark chocolate for nerve repair, opt for varieties with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, and minimal added sugars. These chocolates contain higher concentrations of flavonoids, maximizing their potential benefits for nerve regeneration. From savoring a square of dark chocolate as a standalone treat to incorporating it into homemade desserts like dark chocolate avocado mousse or dark chocolate-covered berries, there are plenty of delicious ways to indulge in dark chocolate guilt-free. Food 9. Oranges. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, making them a valuable asset for nerve health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, supports the production of collagen, and aids in the repair of nerve tissue. In addition to vitamin C, oranges contain other essential nutrients like potassium and folate, which play crucial roles in nerve repair and function. These nutrients support nerve cell communication, maintain nerve cell structure, and facilitate the regeneration of damaged nerves. From enjoying freshly squeezed orange juice to adding orange segments to salads, smoothies, or yogurt bowls, there are countless ways to incorporate the refreshing flavor of oranges into your meals and snacks. Food 10. Almonds. Almonds boast a rich nutrient profile, making them a valuable ally in nerve repair. Their high content of vitamin E, an antioxidant, plays a crucial role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage and supporting nerve regeneration. In addition to vitamin E, almonds are rich in magnesium and B vitamins such as B6 and folate, which are essential for nerve health. These nutrients help regulate nerve function, promote nerve signaling, and facilitate the repair of damaged nerves. Enjoy almonds as a convenient and nutritious snack on their own or incorporate them into various dishes. Try almond butter spread on whole grain toast, almond-crusted chicken for a crunchy twist, or almond-studded oatmeal for a hearty breakfast. Nerve health is essential for overall well-being, impacting everything from mobility to sensation. Repairing damaged nerves is vital for restoring quality of life. Don't underestimate the power of food in promoting nerve health. Incorporate these 10 foods like avocados, blueberries, and almonds into your diet for optimal nerve function. Share your experiences and favorite nerve-healing foods in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content on health and nutrition.